welcome back to Accidental Fun Stuff. Today we're going to be going to a farm and we'll see you guys around. We had so much fun doing all of these fun things and picking pumpkins. See you next time, guys.